તમને આ કન્ફ્યુઝન છે? આર્ટિકલ એ ક્યારે યુઝ થાય, આર્ટિકલ એન ક્યારે યુઝ થાય કે આર્ટિકલ ધ ક્યારે યુઝ થાય? હેલો એવરીવન, my name is Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Today we will learn articles એકદમ easy way થી. After this video તમારું ગ્રામર ડેફિનેટલી ઇમ્પ્રૂવ થશે. Let's begin. First we see what are articles. A and the are articles. These are small words but very powerful. Singular noun ની પહેલા આવતા words જે clarity આપે છે. Now let's learn use of article A. A use થાય before consonant sound. Example: a parrot, a box, a unique book. A is used for general things. Remember, focus on sound, not letter. Now use of article N. N use થાય before vowel sound. Example: an arrow, an honest man, an interesting story. Honest માં H silent છે. Focus on sound, not letter. Now A versus N. ચાલો કમ્પેરિઝન કરીને કન્ફ્યુઝન દૂર કરીએ. Example number 1. A honorable person. It's wrong. Right is an honorable person. Example number 2. An uniform is wrong. Right is a uniform. Golden rule યાદ રાખો. Focus on sound, not letter. આ rules deeply આપણે next વિડિયોમાં જોઈશું. Now use of article the. The is used for specific things. Example: the sun, the moon, the India gate. ખાસ વસ્તુ માટે the વપરાય. Now special use of the. Unique things, the earth. Rivers, the Ganga. Famous places, the India gate. Article the ના deeply rules પણ next વિડિયોમાં જોઈશું. Now next one, no article. ક્યારે આર્ટિકલ ના લાગે તે શીખીએ. Examples: I drink milk, I go to school. General meaning માં article use ના થાય. Now let's fix some common mistakes that made by students. Example: the Ram. It's wrong. Right is Ram. Never use article before person name. Next one, a water is incorrect. Correct is water or a glass of water. Uncountable noun ની પહેલા article use ન થાય. Next one, an university is wrong. Right is a university. Focus on sound, not letter. Now practice test. Number 1, dash igloo. Number 2, dash Ramayana. Number 3, dash 1 rupee. Pause video and fill your answer. Now show your answer. An igloo, the Ramayana, of 1 rupee. Now quick revise. Definitions of articles. A versus N articles. Use of articles. Common mistakes. Practice test. This concept exam and speaking બંનેમાં ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. Write in comment articles clear. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.